Okay, so you've probably heard this rule in math class. Never divide by zero. It's a classic, right? But what if I told you that there's a way to make sense of dividing by zero? And that, throughout history, this simple idea has caused massive debates, wild breakthroughs, and even shaped entire fields like physics technology beyond? Let's start at the very beginning. Picture ancient mathematicians, Babylonians, Greeks, Indians, all staring at this mysterious nothingness, struggling to even define zero. For centuries, zero wasn't even considered a number. The Greeks thought it was too weird, while ancient Indian mathematicians like Brahmagupta were among the first to treat zero as a real, usable thing. Now, here's where it gets wild. When you divide something, say 6 divided by 2, you're asking how many times does 2 fit into 6? But if you try 6 divided by 0, you're basically asking, how many times does nothing fit into 6? And well, nothing fits into anything. An infinite number of times. That's where things blow up, mathematically speaking. So for centuries, mathematicians banned dividing by 0, calling it undefined. It's like the math police showed up and said, nope, you can't do that. But then, in the 17th century, calculus came along. Suddenly we started talking about what happens as numbers get really, really close to 0, without actually hitting it. This led to breakthroughs in understanding infinity, limits, and the concept of the infinitesimal. Fast forward to modern times, and dividing by 0 still pops up in all sorts of unexpected places. In physics, it's tied to black holes, where gravity becomes so intense, our equations hit a divide by 0 situation, and the laws of physics break down. In technology, programmers have to watch out for dividing by 0 in their code, because it can crash entire systems. But here's the mind-bending twist. In some advanced math, like projective geometry complex analysis, mathematicians have actually redefined what it means to divide by 0, creating entire new systems where it's totally allowed, under the right rules. It's like inventing a new game with its own set of rules, letting us explore ideas that once seemed impossible. So dividing by 0 isn't just a math mistake. It's a key that's unlocked new worlds of science, technology, and human understanding. Sometimes the rules we're told never to break are the ones that lead to the biggest discoveries. Thanks for hanging out with me, and remember, in math, curiosity changes everything.